And I'm going to put it in my downloads folder to make it easy for me. And I'm going to change that 1 to a 2 and then click on save. Okay, and it says if you don't see the extension save as, don't do it. If we don't have to type the docx. With the still open, ensure your first and last names displayed in the footer. I'm looking footer. Yeah, it's got my name in it. Good. And then project steps. As an administrative assistant in the Dean of Students Office at Escalante State College, you're preparing a form letter to send to enrolled students, welcoming them to the college. To use the standard format for letters, change the page orientation to portrait. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to design. Layout. We're going to go orientation and we're going to change it to portrait. So now the paper is turned the right direction. Convert the 5 paragraphs in the middle letter section, beginning college advisor and ending in Allison Hamal. So this right here, college advisors, Allison Hamal. We're going to convert this to a table. So we're going to go to insert, table, convert text to table. And now it tells us use tabs to separate the columns. So our tabs is selected. Use a fixed column width. We have a fixed column width. And it says apply the table to accent to table style. So we'll do that after we click OK. So we'll click OK. Then we're going to go up here to our table styles. And it says grid table 2, accent 2. Okay. Grid table 2, accent 2. Click on it. So now I've done that. It matches the other color schemes of the thing. Now it says to set up the document as a form letter, start the step-by-step mail merge. So I'm going to go to mailings and start mail merge. And it says to use a step-by-step. So we're going to do it. And it says accept letters as a document type, then choose the current document as a starting document. So I'm going to click next down here, use this current document. So I'm going to click next. And then now the list is where we're going to be at. So create a new recipient list. So we're going to use a new recipient list. Click create. And it says customize it by deleting the company name. So customize columns. I want to delete company name, country or region, and work phone, and then email address field. So email address field, delete. Rename the zip code field using the word postal code. So I'm going to click on zip code, rename. I'll change it to postal code. Add a new field called session. So, okay. And then we're going to add a new field at the bottom. And we're going to call it session. And click OK. All right. Enter the address information for the 2 recipients as shown. So I'll click OK. And now I've got my data table. So now I'm going to put in the information here. And my computer doesn't want to do anything because I have this. So let me type it in. So Ms. Tab N Tab Hayes 2702 Carly Street. Next line is apartment 310. Next line is the city, Chicago, Illinois 60290. And I'm going to do a new entry. Wait, I'm not finished. I need to put the home phone number. 773-555-1028. Now, this has parentheses around it, so I'm going to do it the same way they have it in the text. And I'm going to click OK because I can't see the rest of it. Actually, I'm going to type in the rest of this, and then I'll scroll down and see if there's any other fields, because it looks like there's a session field, but I can't see it. The reason I can't see it's because I have this dialog box open. So let's do new entry, and let's do Mr. and then Ben and Tang, 1435 River Road. There's no second line, Windsor. And then this is in Ontario. And the postal code is N8N. And then the parentheses, 519, close parentheses, dash 555, 6781. And I'm going to click OK. All right, that allows me to come over here, hopefully, and scroll. I have a, okay, it's not going to let me do that. I need to save my data source, but I don't want to save it yet. But I don't know what it's called. So I'm just going to call it SC underscore WD underscore 19A 19 underscore 6A. And then I'll click on save. And I'm going to click on OK for right now. Now this will let me scroll down. Now I have the session, July and August. So I'm going to go edit recipient list. And I'm going to click on this and click edit. And then we're going to go down here to the sessions that we weren't able to put in a while ago. And this one is July. Ann's is July. And Mr. Tang is August. Okay, and then we click OK. Yes, we want to update the changes and then click OK. All right. So now we have those in there. So now number 5 says continue to step 4 in the mail merge wizard. So we're going to click on next to step 4 and use the date content control with click here to select a date to select June 11th, 2021. So we're going to click here and we're going to go to June 11th, 2021. Insert the inside address as follows. Select the placeholder inside address. Then insert it address merge field. So we're going to go to address. Insert inside address, more items. Hold on, cancel. Address block. Mr. Joshua Randall Jr. is what we want. Click OK. And then we're going to delete the placeholder that says insert inside address. And then and to delete the placeholder. So number 7 says insert the greeting line as follows. So I'm going to click on the insert greeting line. Click on greeting line here. And it's wanting to use the Dear Joshua format. So the first name, just the first name right here, Dear Joshua, with a comma, no, with a colon. Close the new merge document without saving it. Let's see here, save the original form letter document. So this is our original form letter document. I'll click the save button and it says saving. Your document should look like the final figure on the following pages. So here's page 1. Here's our page 1. This is our first page. This is our second page. If you look at this first page, it only shows the address block and greeting line, and ours shows an address. So what we need to do is go to mailings here and turn off the preview, and then that shows the correct way. Down here, it shows it correctly. So let's go back up and read the rest of the directions. Let's see here. We turned off the preview of the mail merge, which we just did. Close the new merge document without saving it. And we've already saved this original one. So let's make sure I save it. And we're good. Okay. So this should be all you need. Let's see if I can upload it real quick.